Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are back at Heathrow Terminal 5 and we're gonna fly to Hyderabad today on the BA277 that's on the 787-8 Dreamliner. We just made it to Terminal 5 and I'm currently on my way to first wing check-in. As a Gold member, I am eligible to use the fast track service. Let's go. Anyway, sorry. Thank you very much. Hi.
J1.
J1. All right. Thank you so much. We're good. Yourself? Here you go.
Your gate is still not ready. It's still
Okay.
only for the gate.
Yeah.
And your seat number is 1A and 1B.
1B. Yeah. Yeah.
How about
Perfect.
the time?
Thank you so much.
Take
Thank you.
care.
Thank you. Take care.
You know your flight's been delayed?
Yes. 1 hour 20, I think. 1 hour 15, yeah.
3:50.
So guys, we've just made it to the lounge. It's quite busy today actually, but we've managed to find a seat, and yeah, the lounge has some new furniture, as you guys can see, and which does have a wireless charger and a universal outlet. So yeah, I'm just charging my devices now. But yeah, unfortunately our flight has been delayed an hour 20 minutes. So we'll be in lounge for a while. We were supposed to depart 2:30 p.m. and now it says 3:50 p.m. So yeah, a full hour 20 minutes. So yeah, we'll be here for a while. I'm just gonna go catch some food and I'll catch you guys in a bit.
So let's get that done.
Not bad. The food actually tastes better now than it did the last time I was here. Right, I've gone for a couple of sandwiches. I've gone for a salmon and cheese sandwich and a falafel and hummus wrap. My favorite go-to drink when traveling is spiced tomato juice. I never have it on the ground, but always have it when I'm traveling. So guys, we are on our way to the gate. We are departing from B gate, so we need to take the transit train, and we'll get off at the next stop. Let's go. quick
Yeah.
one?
Do you have Visa or OCI?
Yeah, Visa.
That's fine, my lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right, please. Hello.
This is a custom announcement for the BA277.
And you're going that way. So,
Right.
1 is up to your left.
Thank you.
Hello, how are you? And up here again, thank you.
Right, so we've got the bedding over here, provided by the white company, a big fluffy pillow, and headset. In storage, we've got a bottle of water and the a main ticket, which is also by the white company.
It's led by in-flight manager Saunders. Well, apologies for the late departure of the service. The reason for this was the original aircraft that was scheduled for this service had to be taken out of service for some engineering works. As a result of that, we've had to wait for the next aircraft to become available, which has actually just come in from Hyderabad as well.
I'll have the duck for starter.
The dock.
And then the lamb for main, please.
And then it's still a sparkling water for you.
Still, please.
Still?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. service has started, and I've gone for my usual favorite on board a plane, which is spiced tomato juice, and we've also got some mixed nuts.
Do you need any other drinks apart from the water, sir?
Oh no, I'm fine, thank you. Thank you very much, thank you. Right, so the lunch starter has arrived. I've gone for the smoked duck, which comes with a salad, some bread and butter. Not sure what this is. I think it's a salad dressing and some sort of chutney. Right, let's try the smoked duck. Let's see how it tastes. That's actually really good. Even the dressing on top of the duck is really nice. I like it. Right, the main has arrived, and it actually looks good. I've gone for the lamb. It looks and smells really good.
Sorry, officer.
Right, the main has arrived, and I've gone for the vegetarian omelette. Thank you very much. You too. Take care. Take care. We'll see you. Thank you.